Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, cosmetic surgeon, New Delhi, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. One of our viewers have inquired whether she is the right candidate for liposuction or not, and how will she know whether she is the right candidate for liposuction. So I think it's very clear. I have mentioned in previous videos also that liposuction is not a treatment for obesity. So if you are obese, your weight is more than what should be there, then you need to go for treatment for obesity. Obesity itself is a disease, and liposuction is not the treatment for obesity. First of all, because people think that liposuction will reduce their obesity, which is not the right approach, because obesity means that there is fat all over your body. There may be hormonal imbalance, there may be a metabolic disorder, just so many things, and you need to treat those causes first. So if you are having any of these problems, then you are not the right candidate for liposuction. Second thing is that liposuction is basically a treatment for localized fat deposits. So there should be local fat deposits in different parts of your body. They can be improved. But before that, the question comes is whether you have tried dieting and exercises for that or not. So the first treatment is always dieting and exercises and any medications if there is some disorders. So whether you tried that or not, if you have not tried that, so you are not the right candidate for liposuction again. The third thing is, are you a smoker? See, if you are a smoker, then healing gets delayed. So I will always consider you that you are not the right candidate for that. You need to leave these habits. Now, are you suffering from any major diseases like heart disease, diabetes, kidney dysfunction, liver disorders? If you are having any of these problems, then you are not the right candidate for liposuction until or unless you have been cleared by your physician to undergo liposuction. If your diseases, these are under control, your physician gives you green signal that you can go for liposuction, then only you should consider liposuction and then approach your cosmetic surgeon for that. So these are very important points. And one more thing which I would like to say, that how elastic is your skin. What I mean to say that sometimes because of fat your skin may get overstressed. If it is overstressed, then it is hanging skin. If the skin is hanging, then after liposuction it will not contract that much which it should be there. So in those cases, go for tummy tuck. Basically they go for tummy tuck. So in such cases where you lose your elasticity of the skin, so the skin will not shrink to that extent which it should. So then also you are not the right candidate for liposuction. So these are few points which you can note down for yourself, and if these impediments I can say, or these things are not existent, then you are definitely the right candidate for liposuction. So if you are planning to go for liposuction, approach your cosmetic surgeon in the town. Tell him all your problems, any diseases, any treatments you have taken previously, smoking or metabolic disorders, everything, any disease, liver problem, kidney problem, all things you should share. You must tell them you are a smoker or non-smoker. Don't hide anything from your doctor. And then he will examine you about your fitness, your skin contractibility, elasticity, etc. And if he is convinced, if you have got green signal from your physician, then you are definitely the right candidate for liposuction. Otherwise, no. So I think there are few points which I have tried to clarify for you, and I hope it answers your questions. Still, if you think that you have got few more doubts, please feel free to contact our team. We will be very happy to answer any of your questions. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thank you very much.